I'm using Caron Simply Soft today. I believe this is like a fuchsia color, size H hook. And my sample that I've done here is 22 stitches. It is a multiples of 4 plus 6, okay? So we'll get started. And once we get to our second row, this pattern is very simple. It's a repeat of the second row. So we're going to skip 6, I should say, in the 6th stitch, we're going to skip 5. We are going to do a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th stitch, single crochet. And then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to single crochet. And we are going to do this all the way to the end. And again, the sample size isn't that big, so it won't take long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet. Well, just struggling here today. And then we're going to do 5 chains. 1, 3, 4, 5, and then in the 4th chain, again, do a single crochet, and then we're going to do our 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 4 chains left, and we're just going to single crochet right in that last chain. So our row 1 is done. Let me take a picture here, and I should say let me show you how it would look. But I should probably take a picture of row 1 and put this in the tutorial. We'll do that. But okay, so there's row 1. This is the setup. Okay, we're ready to go on to row 2. So I've turned my work, and what we're going to do is a 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty much the hardest counting you're going to do this whole time, I swear. And then we're going to go right in this loop, okay, right here, and we're going to do a single crochet. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, whoopsies, missed it, 3. And we're going to go right back in here and do a single crochet. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we jump to the next loop, and we do our single crochet and our chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and our single crochet right back in there. And then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to go into the next. We just got 2 more holes to go through. So there's a single crochet, and then a chain 3, 2, 3, and a single crochet, and our chain 5, 3, 4, 5. You see how fast this can really work up? A single crochet, and a picot, 2, 3, and a single crochet, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we end right here with a single crochet in the last space, which was the first hole of the first row. And it does look like it's a little bit wonky at this point, where it might be bigger on this side and the other side. It's amazing how it evens out. So in the middle, you got these little picot stitches, and then you have your bigger spots right here. And once you get going, it makes for a really nice little scarf, or I don't know, just a very open weave pattern. And so to start the next row, it's just a repeat of row 2. So we're going to turn our work, and we do a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go a single crochet and 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet right inside of that chain 5 loop. Now we skip this part here because that was the picot stitch from the chain before. We go over to the bigger loop here, right? We got to do our chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to jump over here and do our single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, and then chain 5, and then we skip this part here and we go over to the big loop and we do our single crochet, chain 3, and our single crochet, and then we get just a little bit more yarn here, and then our chain 5, 4, 5, and then we're going to skip this here and go into this other big loop, single crochet, chain 2, 3, single crochet, and then we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to skip this little picot stitch, and we're going to end up in the last stitch hole, and we're going to just do a single crochet. I'm going to make this bigger. So now you can see it's starting to take shape. It looks kind of, like I said, wonky with that first row, but now it's starting to take shape. And so you have your chain 5 spaces and then your little picot stitches. And so it's real easy. I hope that you give this a shot and make something pretty out of it. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And the free patterns are always available on patternprincess.com. Take care.